Well, I got the tank in. Got it pretty much leveled. It has to be within a 1/2 inch, and it's within a 1/2 inch, so I'm gonna go with that since I had to do it twice. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the plumbing to it. I gotta re-hook up this line here into it and re-hook up that line. It's actually turned a little bit than it was originally, but I'll just use some 22.5 degree elbows to hook that thing up, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're further along. Love that tractor.